When the SITRANS LT500 has been set up for its operation and is measuring properly, we can then configure our alarms. Under the Quick Start menu, we see Alarms as an option, and we can select which measurement point we would like to configure our alarms for, point 1 or point 2. Because we have set up a level application, the alarms available to us in the wizard correspond to that operation, in this case level. We can then select which types of alarms we would like to configure. In this case, I will select level as my process variable and sensor diagnostics, which include things like cable breaks and loss of echo. I'm going to enter a high alarm set point on my point 1, so I will select that above alarm limit and choose next. And for that alarm limit, I will enter in 6 meters. I can then enter my hysteresis and go next. Now the wizard asks if I would like to configure relays. At this point, if I say no, my alarms are still set up and I can monitor those over industrial communications, or I can assign those to relays, which I'm going to do, so yes. I can see which relays are already assigned to an operation, 1 through 4, and I will select relays 5 and 6 to attach my alarms to. For relay 5, I will attach my high-level alarm, and for relay 6, my sensor diagnostics. I then hit apply, and my alarms are set and configured. I can then go back into my main menu and see that those alarms have also been set up and are available on the screen to view.